I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a YouTube intro using Canva. So I'm going to start out with clicking create a design. I'm just going to type in YouTube intro just so I can get a blank template. So if you don't want to start out with a blank template, you can start out with templates that are already made, but I want to start out from scratch. So I'm going to start out with this white template and I'm going to make it gray because I feel like pictures look better on gray background. So I'm going to start out with my text first. This is like one of my favorite texts on Canva. So I'm just going to type in what I want it to say, and then I'm going to add my name and then put it over it like an overlay. So now I'm just going to look through the fonts to find my favorite font or the font that I want to use today. So Canva has a lot of fonts that you can choose from. I like cursive, and this font is really cute, so this is the one that I'm choosing, but you have so many options on Canva. So now I'm just going to add some animation to my words. I'm going to go ahead and use typewriter, but you have a lot of options to choose from. So I'm going to do the animation to the two sets of the words, the ones that says my name and the one that says life with. So when you're doing your intro, you want to make sure you add in some cute pictures. So this is the first part of my intro. I'm just going to add some pictures here. I uploaded them from my computer. So you just upload them from wherever you want to upload them from and just upload them to Canva. So now I'm going to edit the photo and remove the background from the photo. I also use Canva for my YouTube thumbnails as well. So you can use Canva for a million different things. You can use it for Instagram, you can use it for TikTok, you can use it for YouTube, any platform you can think of. So now I'm just going to continue to add pictures to the template. I'm not going to remove the background on this picture because I want the water to stay in the template, and I feel like the pictures look really cute sitting on the water. So I'm just going to add more just to create a little collage here. So the first part of my intro is complete, and now I'm just going to click on duplicate so another page can pop up. And I'm doing this so I don't have to start all over from scratch and I can keep the text. So with Canva, when you're designing, you can literally search anything in the search bar and they would literally have it. So I searched up a cute little heart and I changed it to pink. But when I tell you, you can search anything and they have it there. So now I'm going to add some more pictures, but I'm going to do something different this time. I'm going to remove the background just like I did before, but now I'm going to add animations to the actual pictures instead of the words that I did on the first part of my intro. I'm going to add animations, and you're going to see that here in a second. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click on the actual photo, and then we're going to click the animate button on the top, and I'm going to click pop. And I'm going to do that to every individual picture on here. So you can see that right there. How cute, right? So on this last part of my intro, I'm not going to duplicate this one because I don't want to use the words again. So I'm just going to add photos again, just like I did before. Remove the background. So this is going to be my connect with me page where I'm going to add all my socials, my Instagram, my TikTok on here. So when you're making your intro, you want to make sure all your followers can be able to find you. So that's what I'm going to do here. So guys, this is a really cute feature that Canva has. I'm actually going to search in the search bar iPhone frame, and I'm going to be able to add a picture in there, add a video in there. So I added my Instagram inside of the phone. I screen recorded it and I added it in there, and then I added a video of me in the other iPhone template. So how cute. So this is what I mean when I say you can just literally search anything. I searched TikTok icon and that TikTok icon came up, and then I did the same thing for Instagram. So now I'm just going to add my Instagram name on here. My TikTok name, they're the same, so I'm just going to put it one time. So now I'm going to type in subscribe in the search bar because I want a cute little subscribe button, and you have so many options to choose from. This is the one I went with, and that's about it. So creating an intro is really not that hard. Even though I haven't had an intro for 6 years, but now I finally made one. But look how easy it is, guys. And it's free. You don't have to pay anyone. You can literally make it yourself. So this is the end result. How cute, right? So most importantly, the music. So if you want to add music to your intro, all you have to do is go to YouTube and type in no copyright music for YouTube intros, and you'll get a lot of options. So all you have to do is screen record the actual video, send it to yourself, and upload it to whatever editing tool you use, and that's how you add it.